Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on corporate social responsibility and ethics. By the end of the video, you will learn about meaning and evolution of corporate social responsibility, benefits, ethical theories and drivers of CSR, and additionally, a case study on Tata Motors Limited and their CSR. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, is a fundamental shift in how businesses view and conduct their operations. It's a commitment beyond profit-making, focusing on ethical behavior, contributing to economic development, and improving the quality of life for employees, their families, and the broader community. Imagine businesses as citizens of the world, where their actions can either nurture or deplete a global home. From its nascent stages, where the sole focus of a company was profitability, to a more integrated approach that considers the planet and its people, CSR has undergone significant transformation. The journey from profit-centered operations to adopting practices that ensure environmental sustainability, social equity, and economic growth simultaneously highlights a pivotal change in corporate ideologies. This evolution underscores a growing recognition that businesses have a larger role to play in society. In India, the spirit of CSR has been woven into the fabric of its corporate ethos long before it became a legal requirement. The Companies Act of 2013 marked a watershed moment, making India one of the pioneering countries to enforce CSR through legislation. This law not only formalized CSR activities but also emphasized the strategic role of CSR in business management, pushing companies to integrate social responsibility into their core operations. CSR is propelled by a mix of individual beliefs, organizational ethics, and legal obligations. At the heart of these efforts is the concept of ethics, guiding businesses to act responsibly and consider the impact of their decisions on all stakeholders. It's a complex interplay where personal values, company missions, and societal expectations converge to shape a company's CSR strategy. Imagine a world where every business decision is made with consideration for its ripple effects on society, economy, and the environment. Engaging in CSR isn't just about doing good, it's also good for business. Companies that adopt CSR practices can enjoy a plethora of benefits including, but not limited to, enhanced brand reputation, increased customer loyalty, and the ability to attract and retain top talent. What drives a company towards CSR can range from ethical considerations and innovation to risk management and cost savings. The motivation behind these actions underscores a fundamental shift in how businesses define success. Ethics in the context of CSR serves as a moral compass guiding companies in their pursuit of doing business responsibly. It's about making decisions that are good not just for the bottom line but also for people and the planet. Whether it's personal ethics influencing individual actions within the corporation, professional ethics shaping industry standards, or organizational ethics defining company policies, each plays a crucial role in embedding CSR into the corporate DNA. In navigating the complex terrain of CSR, various ethical theories provide a framework for decision-making. Contractarianism emphasizes agreements and mutual benefits, suggesting a business's responsibility to its stakeholders is rooted in mutual self-interest. Utilitarianism or consequentialism focuses on maximizing overall happiness, advocating for actions that serve the greatest good for the greatest number. Deontology, on the other hand, argues that the morality of an action is based on adherence to rules, regardless of the outcomes. Each theory offers a unique lens through which businesses can evaluate and implement their CSR initiatives. Tata Motors stands as a beacon of how deeply ingrained CSR and ethics can drive positive change. Their comprehensive CSR policy not only addresses immediate community needs but also aligns with broader sustainability goals. Through initiatives focused on health, education, employability, and environmental sustainability, Tata Motors exemplifies how businesses can contribute to society's progress. Particularly during challenging times like the COVID-19 pandemic, their adaptive strategies and commitment to social responsibility showcase the resilience and impact of well-executed CSR programs. A compelling example of Tata Motors' CSR impact is seen in their work with tribals in Maharashtra. By organizing these communities into a farmers-producer organization, Tata Motors helped them transition from mere forest gatherers to empowered entrepreneurs. This initiative not only provided financial resilience during the lockdown but also laid the foundation for sustainable community development. It's a vivid illustration of how CSR, rooted in ethical considerations and strategic planning, can transform lives and landscapes. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.